Tired of hefty bills? Let's unlock the secrets to saving money with hidden Airtel Thanks app coupon codes. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Airtel Thanks app installed from the App Store or Google Play. Outdated apps might miss crucial deals. Open the app, and right on the home screen, keep an eye out for banners showcasing special offers and discounts. These often highlight available coupon codes. Next, tap the Discover section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This is your treasure trove of promotions, including exclusive coupon offers. Browse through the various offers and tap on ones that interest you. Read the details carefully to understand the terms and conditions and see if a coupon code is provided. Don't forget to check your notification bell. Airtel often sends personalized deals and coupon codes directly to your inbox within the app. Look for My Coupon section, often found in your account settings or within the Offers tab. Here, you'll find all the coupon codes you've already claimed and are ready to use. When making a payment or recharging, you'll typically find a coupon or apply code option on the payment confirmation page. Enter your valid coupon code here. Verify that the discount has been applied before completing your transaction, and that's it. You've successfully redeemed a coupon code and saved money on your Airtel services. Enjoy!